So it's slow now. Like once we know we're going to use the calculator anyway, why not just go in here, tab, go up, delete everything. Put that in there. Negative x squared minus 4x plus 5. Hit enter. All right, so now I'm just seeing everything off of this. I see that it opens down. The vertex at the very top is going to be a maximum. That'll help me on finding it. So I go menu, 6, maximum is 3. All I have to do is highlight the whole thing. Click on one side, click on the other. Negative 2, 9. Right, but we know the line of symmetry is always x equals whatever this is, negative 2. And I know my range has to use this 9. So this one starts at the bottom at negative infinity and goes up to positive 9. Oh, that gets the box. Right, so negative 2, positive 9 is way up here. All right, now all I need is my zeros, menu, analyze, zeros, go in the middle, highlight this one, that's negative 5, 0, go the other way, 1, 0. Okay, so I'm just finding those, so I'll go here, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 0, there you have my picture. I know my y-intercept should be at 5 because I put a 0 in for x and I get 5. That's not a big deal. Kind of missed it, but it was right there at that point. Here's my line of symmetry. Domain is always all real. Let's see, that takes like 2 minutes per problem. You got 2 more, 3 and 4 right there. I will say on this one, we got to turn to the back and we're just looking at our transformations. Just a quick refresher on this. What was the vertex? Right here, x minus h. Well, it doesn't have minus, so I need to change the sign. So h is negative 4. K is over here, plus k, so it's, right, that's the form. So that's 5. That gives me my vertex, negative 4, 5. The axis of symmetry is always x equals negative 4 because it has to go through this point. Now back to our transformations. What did this do? Well, this moved up 5. Oops. I already started writing the 4. And then on the 4, it was left 4. Even if you don't remember the rules for this, here's my vertex. If I graph that, it's negative 4, positive 5. It's up here. You can tell it moved from the origin left and up. So I could have got that just from my vertex. The one I wanted to talk about was this one, because it doesn't look right, but it has x squared and then a negative. Well, if I wanted to write that the same in the correct form, what's the only number I can put in here that doesn't change, that would still give me the same as x squared? It would be x minus 0 and plus 0. Right? Because I don't want it to change, but I want the form to be there. The only numbers I can use are 0, 0, which gives me my vertex. Right? H and K, which gives me my line of symmetry. Which means this is going right through the origin, so it hasn't moved. All it did was what? What does a negative do? It's a vertical flip. That's outside the parentheses. Okay, so that's what you're doing on the back. Make sure we get those done.